Okay, so today I got myself a little hub from my MacBook Pro for this two sides. I really just wanted an HDMI, let me find it here as I break everything. I've been using one of these HDMI adapters. Oop, my microphone fell. Oh well, we'll just leave that down. Okay, so I've been using one of these HDMI adapters for the USB-C, and that's okay and all, but I need more, and I needed a memory card reader. So this thing is awesome. This has, you can see here, it has HDMI on the butt. It has 2 USB-Cs right there, an SD card, micro SD, TF, and then 2 USB-Cs, and then nothing here. So as you saw in the photos, it's got a lot of stuff on here. So, but the only thing that I wanted to make the video for is to let you guys know this: if you have some kind of case on your MacBook, this is not going to work. So you'll see here it needs both of those. And to go in, let me try to do this with one hand. And I love that it's gold plated to get a better connection, but you can see here I can't get in because of the case being in the way. So just keep that in mind. I have to take off my bottom case every time to get this to connect. So anytime I want this thing to go in, I gotta take it off. But you know, when I'm at home, it's not a big deal. But if you're traveling, that's something to know. Otherwise, this thing is awesome. It does everything I need. I've hooked up HDMI and been charging my phone and been running USB. I've been running everything off of it, and it works perfectly. But I'm here to tell you, if you got a case and you travel a lot, that might be an issue for you. So pay attention to that. Otherwise, I give this thing 5 out of 5. Customer service was awesome when I reached out. They were super nice and super fast on response time. But this little machine does so much. I highly, highly recommend it, especially if you're looking for an HDMI port and trying to keep your other areas open there.
All right, there we go. Let's see if it'll actually work when it's under camera. All right, plugged it in. Pulling it in. Not staying very good. Alright, turns on and directly off. Freaking annoying. It'll show like I'm on the screen. My apps are over there, but it's not actually there. Like, kind of stupid. So it doesn't actually work. Shitty review. Or, yeah, definitely shitty review, but definitely shitty product.
You need to be part of the tribal penguin community. Apologies.